Hello student, good morning. I am Dr.A.K Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I will continue from the last class. I was discussing nomenclature. Now I will discuss few examples. Actually here this question is there and you have to do nomenclature. A structure you have to write the structures of all 8 structural isomers that have the molecular formula C5H11 bromide. You have to draw the structure of all the 8 structural isomers that have the molecular formula C5H11Br. Name each isomers according to IUPAC system and classify them as primary, secondary or tertiary bromide. This type of question is also asked. Now here molecular formula is given C5H11Br. It is given. Now you have to write isomers. 8 structural isomers you have to write. And then you have to do nomenclature according to IUPAC system. And you have to also classify them as a primary, secondary or tertiary bromide. The molecular formula is given C5H11Br. Now first you have to write the isomers. 8 isomers you have to write. According to the question, it will give 8 isomers you have to write. Structural isomers you have to write, and then you have to do nomenclature according to IUPAC and also classify them as primary, secondary or tertiary bromide. Then just you think what will be the structure. 8 isomers you have to write. 8 isomers. Then it is very easy to write. C5H11Br is there. Only one bromide ion is there. Only one bromide atom is there. 5 carbons are there. C5H11 and 1 Br. Then now only 1 Br is there and 5 carbons are there. 5 carbons. Then now it will be clear that these bromide can go to the different carbons, starting from first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. Like that way it can go to the different carbon. Then here molecular formula will be the same. Structural formula will vary because bromine position will vary. And also you think that now out of 5 carbon, that 5 carbons may be normal also, means straight. Sometimes it can branch also, means one carbon make the branch, and hydrogen you have to fill it. Okay, hydrogen you have to fill it. Finally tetravalency you have to maintain. Then what are the possibilities? Now you have to think. Okay. I am telling you now one by one. I will tell you. Okay. C5H11Br. Then directly you pentane first to write. Pentane. CH3, 5 carbon you write and fill it with hydrogen. In the beginning 3 hydrogen, one end CH3. After that second, third, fourth, fifth, all will be CH2, CH2, CH2. Actually second and also it will be CH3, but one H will go and one bromine will come. Then fifth will be also CH2. Then only in the first end it is a CH3 and in the rest 4 CH2 only. CH2, 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 CH2. And with the last CH2, one Br will come. Only one Br is there. Then now its name will be what? IUPAC name? Very easy. Carbon numbering you can give from the bromine side. Then bromine, including where bromine is there, that is the one carbon. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can write one bromo. One bromo, one dash bromo. After that 5 carbons are there. You can write pentane. Then one bromo, pentane. Correct? And with this carbon, means this bromine is attached with first carbon. Then with that carbon, immediately one bond is there. Means only one carbon is attached with that carbon, from which Br is attached. From that carbon, another carbon is attached, only one carbon. Okay. That carbon, from that carbon only one carbon is attached. Correct? Then this will be primary. Primary, because this carbon is attached to the another one carbon only. Okay. Then this will be primary. Then you can write one bromo pentane and it will be primary. Primary, 1 degree you can write primary. Now second I am telling you, second structure. Then now what you have to do? Now second carbon you write the bromine. Second carbon you write the bromine. Then now this carbon, second carbon, bromine is attached. Then now and only one H is there because first became CH3. First became CH, it was CH2 because bromine is now attached with the second carbon. And that hydrogen gone to the first. CH2 became CH3 and second carbon which was CH2, now it became CH and from that carbon Br is attached. Now you will see that now from this carbon, second carbon, other 2 carbon is attached. One right side and one left side. Okay. One carbon is attached left side, other and one more it is attached with other one more carbon, that is the with first carbon. Means first and third. Second carbon is attached with first and third carbon. Then now again total 5 carbons are there and with carbon number 2 bromine is attached. Then it will be very easy to write 2 bromo pentane. It is also 2 bromo pentane. But this what will be the these things whether it is secondary or tertiary, now you decide. Then it is attached with 2 other carbon. Then it will be secondary. Secondary because that carbon from which bromine is attached, that is attached with other 2 carbon. One from left side, other from right side. Means 1 and third. 1 and third. Then second carbon is attached with first and third. 2. Hence it is a secondary. Secondary. Now again you think third form, third structure. Then now bromine you can write to the third. Okay. Now bromine is attached to the third carbon. Third carbon, then again it is very easy to write. Here 3 bromo, again pentane. Again also this third carbon is attached with second and fourth. Because on third Br is attached. Then that C is attached with that third carbon is attached with second and fourth, left and right. Then again it is very easy to write structure and nomenclature. Now it is 3 dash bromopentane. Now again it is attached with 2 carbon. Then it is secondary. Now fourth one I am telling you, fourth structure. Now here again fourth structure you can write, that is that with first carbon, but now branch is developing. Okay, means with now CH3 whole 2, that is the end, and first end, that is the bromine is there, and second end CH3 whole 2, means first, second, third. From the third carbon 2 CH3 is attached. From the third carbon 2 CH3, 2 methyl group is attached. Then now here you have to careful in doing nomenclature. Then with third carbon 2 carbon is attached. One is up, other is down. Total just like a propane. Then now this one CH3 is up, other CH3 is down. Then this carbon is attached with 2 carbon, plus in a straight way with second also it is attached. With second carbon it is also attached. Means third carbon is attached with you can say 2 CH3, 2 methyl group, and one is with second carbon. Then this carbon is attached with 3, total 3 carbon it is attached. But here bromine is attached with first carbon. Okay, that carbon is attached with only 1 carbon, means second. First is attached with second. Then bromine is attached with first carbon, and that carbon is attached with second carbon, only 1 carbon. Then it is the primary only. But branch you can see a structure. Then you have to do nomenclature of this structure just by thinking, because 2 methyl group is attached with carbon third. Then how will you do nomenclature? Then here with the third 2 methyl group is attached. Then one is the end. Up down you can't consider. One you consider as a state, total 4. Only one you can consider is a down, that is as a branch. Only one methyl group is a branch, or other is a straight. Only one methyl group is branch, either up or down, anywhere. Then now carbon number third, 1 methyl group is attached, and then it became 4 carbon, and with first carbon bromine is there. Then what will be nomenclature? 1 bromo, after that 3 methyl, because 1 methyl group is as a branch. 1 methyl, and after that total 4 carbon is there. It is attached with the 4 carbon, you can say this structure line. That is this third I told you 1 alkyl group is attached. The straight line, total 4 is there, 4 carbon, and but it is a methyl group is attached with third one. Hence its name will be 1 bromo 3 methyl butane, because methyl group is attached with total that long chain, okay, with third carbon, and that is the 4. That's why you have to write butane. Then 1 bromo 3 methyl butane. In bracket you can write primary. This is the primary. Okay. Only in the end you write, after writing the nomenclature, in the end you write 1 degree, 2 degree, like this way. Okay. Then here it is a primary. Then this is the 4th structure I told you. Now I am going to tell you fifth structure. 5th structure means isomer. Then now here again same structure you think, means CH3 whole 2, CH2, CH2Br, same structure, only bromine position will change. With third carbon, or you can think like that, that is a butane is there, but with third carbon methyl is there. Simply total 4 carbon long chain is, primary chain is 4 carbon, means butane, but with third methyl group is attached, but bromine position has changed. And now it gone to the second carbon. Then now second carbon, then again it will be it is attached with, second carbon is attached with 2 carbon. Okay, means first and third. Then it is again secondary. It is secondary because this carbon is attached with 2 carbon, one left side, other right side. Then again same thing will be there, structure will be same, only bromine position has changed. It came from first to second. Then now we can start with 2 bromo. All thing will be same, 2 bromo, but after 2 you write a dash, make habit, 2 bromo. Okay, 2 bromo, and after that 3 methyl you have to write, but 3 you are writing, then before 3 and after 3 dash you write. Then 2 dash means 2 bromo 3 methyl butane. Now it is a secondary, you write it 2 degree, in bracket write 2 degree. Now again same way, that is the sixth structure I am telling you. 6th structure, again same way, but only bromine position has changed. Now it came to the third. See, it is actually repeating. First 3 was only position was changing from first, second, third, bromine position. Here also bromine position is changing in second 3. First 3 bromine position changed, and it was only 5 carbon straight chain. Now it is a 4 carbon chain, 1 methyl group is attached with the third, but bromine position 3 times changed. First with primary, second with the first carbon, second carbon, now third carbon. Then again it will be same nomenclature, only carbon position will change. It is attached with third, and total carbon means now this third carbon is attached with how much? Total 3, because fourth one, third carbon is attached with fourth one, and second one, and one methyl group is attached. One methyl group is attached, then 3 carbon. Then it will be tertiary. Tertiary. Always remember where bromine is attached, and from that carbon where it is attached, that carbon is attached with how many? If it is attached with 3, then 3. If it is attached with 2, then secondary. 3 means tertiary. 2 means secondary. If not only attached with only one carbon, then primary. Then now here nomenclature will be this is attached with bromine is attached with third carbon. First, second, third carbon. Then it will be but here in this from the, because now this carbon is attached with this third carbon from the end, third carbon, but numbering you will do here, numbering you have to change, because now branch is there, then you can start with opposite end, because methyl group is attached. Actually previous also nomenclature you will change, because bromine you can attach with first carbon of the last end also and first end also. In both way numbering will be same. Either numbering that you can start with both end, but here branch is there. Then when branch is there, then numbering will start from that side only. Then from that side it will be second carbon, okay, on which methyl group is attached. Correct? Bromide ion you can write yes, you can write no problem, you can write this thing, first carbon you can start with bromine only, okay, bromine only you can write. Then that will be now same way, first bromo, and after that this thing 3-methyl, first bromo 3-methyl butane, correct, because with third carbon methyl group is attached, that's why it will be the same, nomenclature will be the same, because bromine is attached with the third carbon, then 2-bromo, and not 2-bromo, it is attached with carbon number first, second, third, then 3-bromo, and after that this it is attached with that carbon only, methyl, then 3-bromo 3-methyl butane, 3-bromo 3-methyl butane, and it is a tertiary, 3 degree you can write in the bracket. Now again that next I am telling you that means seventh structure, isomer. Now here what you have to do, methyl group branch can be changed. That time it was with you can say CH3 was attached with that carbon number 2. Now it can attached with methyl group, methyl means that branch, methyl group can attach with the second carbon. Then now it will be butane only. It will be butane. But now methyl group is attached with third carbon, not second carbon. Then again, same way, one bromo and carbon number 2, methyl group is attached. Then one bromo, 2 methyl, and total is 4. Total is 4. Long chain is 4 carbon. Then one bromo, 2 methyl, butane. And this carbon is now, this carbon is attached with, methyl group is attached with second carbon. Then this total actually it is attached with how many carbon? 3 carbon. It is attached with 3 carbon. Correct? One left side, other right side, and one down with methyl group 3. Then it will be tertiary. Okay. And this you can now do nomenclature now. One bromo, but here this bromine is attached but first carbon. You can't do tertiary here because bromine is attached only with first carbon, and only methyl group is attached with second. Then again it will be one bromo because it is attached with first. Then one bromo and methyl group is attached with second. Then one bromo, 2 methyl, butane. Correct? One bromo, 2 methyl. Carbon number 2, methyl group is attached. Then one bromo, 2 methyl, total is the 4, means butane. And it is the primary because bromine is attached with only first carbon, and that carbon is attached with only one carbon. Then it will be primary. Then you can write in bracket 1 degree. And seventh, 8 isomers, I am telling you. Here again bromine will be attached with first carbon. Now with second carbon, total 3 CH3 is there. One is okay, straight way. Propane you can tell, straight way. And other 2 methyl groups attached with second carbon, one up, another down. Okay. Then this primary chain became propane. Straight. And 2 methyl group is attached with the second carbon. Then now again it will be primary because bromine is attached with the first carbon and that carbon is attached with only one carbon. Then it will be primary, no doubt. Then nomenclature, how will you do here? Then now you can write because carbon number first, second. Then here carbon number 2 methyl group is attached. 2 methyl group. Then you can write one bromo, and carbon number 2 methyl group is attached. Okay, and total state chain is of 3 carbon, propane. Propane is there, but with second carbon 2 methyl group is attached. Then its nomenclature will be 1 bromo, 2 dimethyl, because carbon number 2 methyl group is there. That's why dimethyl you are writing. And finally it will be propane because long chain is primary chain is propane. Then 1 bromo, 2,2 dimethyl propane. It is a primary. And the end, in the bracket write 1 degree. Then this I have just discussed the 8 isomers. This type of question is asked. But 8 they will not ask. They can ask to write 3 or 4 maximum. 3 or 4 maximum. Or 4 maximum only, because this objective type question, multiple choice, they can't give more than 5 maximum. Okay, 5 maximum. But 1 will be wrong, no? Because it will give like this, 1 will be wrong answer. Then 4 maximum can give, should know. Now another question I am discussing. Now a structure, they have given a structural formula is given, a structural. You have to write IUPAC name. Okay, but this is a little different, or little, not more, because now these questions are now related to the double bond. Now you have seen everywhere single bond was there. Now in this question double bond will be there. Carbon double bond is possible here. Okay, then a structure actually it is given now, and you have to write the these things, IUPAC name. Then actually this I am telling you, a structure is also little complicated, but quickly understand. I will tell the question itself is a little different. Then now here total carbon is 4 carbon. Total carbon excluding group, excluding branch I am not telling. Excluding branch, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 you can tell, 4 carbons are there, not straight, it is not straight, but total carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, and one is you can say, or you can understand that first to understand like that, suppose it is ethylene is there, carbon double bond, and now with this ethylene 1H means in the beginning first end, that carbon is now substituted with methyl group, means one hydrogen gone and one methyl came, CH3. In the place CH2 was there, then one H is there, other H is replaced by CH3. Now say with the second carbon, one H is there, and other H with other H is replaced. Then it is replaced with what? It is replaced with CH3 CHBr. CH3 CHBr. Okay, it is replaced with CH3 CHBr. Okay, then here main thing is that double bond is there, one double bond is there, and one H is replaced with methyl group with first carbon, and from the second carbon H was replaced by CH3 CHBr. Okay, then what will be its nomenclature? You have to write. Then here I told you it is attached with fourth hydrogen is replaced by CH3CHBr. Means then this is like that way. CH is attached. CH is attached. That carbon is attached with the replaced with H of second. H of second carbon of ethylene. CH is attached, C. And only from that C, which is attached, from that C, methyl group is attached. And only from that Br is also attached. Means carbon which is attached to the ethylene. Carbon which is attached to the ethylene. Okay. Only from that carbon bromine is also attached. Bromine is also attached. Then if you will think it is a straight, actually they have made it turned, but you can, for writing purpose, you can think a straight way also. Then ethylene you have written, and after that you write CH, and then you write from that carbon Br is attached. Means first carbon, from the first carbon Br is attached, and only from that carbon CH3 is attached. Okay, carbon wise you understand, it will be easy. Okay, from the one end, last end, that carbon Br is there. Okay, and only from that carbon methyl group is attached. Methyl group, correct? Then in the second end, carbon bromine is attached. One H is there, only from that carbon CH3 is attached. Correct? It means this carbon is joined with two carbon. One is from methyl, and other is attached with ethylene. Ethylene means it is a secondary. It is secondary. Okay, means carbon number, carbon this can say this carbon is attached with two carbon. One from methyl, other from the carbon of ethylene. Then now IUPAC name will be, you have to do numbering. Then numbering you will start from the first end. First end. Okay, ethylene first end. Then that, from that also methyl group is attached. Then that is actually first carbon. First, second, third, fourth carbon you can write, and fifth one is the CH3. Total 5 carbon. Total 5. Okay. Then fourth carbon in a serial number, fourth carbon methyl group is attached. Fourth carbon methyl group is attached. Then what will be the nomenclature? I am telling you now. You consider as a total state, then total number is a 5. Total number including methyl, both end methyl group is there. Then you can, including that, it will be 5. And fourth carbon is Br. Then you can write 4 bromo. Total carbon is 5. Then pent. And carbon number 2 is in ethene. I am talking ethene, because that carbon is, one hydrogen is replaced with CH3, and that carbon became carbon number 2. Then you have to write 4 bromo pent 2 in, because carbon number 2 double bond is there. Then 4 bromo 2 from 4 bromo pent 2 in, ENE. Correct? Then you have to write in this way. You have to think. A structure is, while writing IUPAC, you think that it is a straight. Okay, but it is not tested because with ethylene one hydrogen is substituted with CH3 CHBr. Okay, CH3 CHBr, it is attached with that. Okay, then it is not estate, but you have to think estate while doing nomenclature. Then now second question I am telling you. Now again same thing is there. Ethylene is there, but first carbon nothing is changed. CH2 is only there. And with second carbon, H has one H gone and one CH3 has come. And again with fourth H, same things are there. Same things what I discussed, CH, Br, CH3, same way. CH from that carbon Br, only from that carbon CH3. Then CHBr, only difference is that methyl group it was attached with the first carbon. Now it is with second carbon, only difference is that. From the first, now first two hydrogen is there in ethylene. In second, that one hydrogen is replaced by CH3, reversed. And again this CH3 CHBr is there. All are single bond, no problem. Then its nomenclature will be again same way, only numbering will you can say change. Numbering will change. Okay, again actually you have to write the carbon numbering from the double bond. You start numbering from the double bond. Then 1, 2, 3. At 3 carbon bromine is there. At 3 carbon bromine is there. Then now total 5 carbons are there. Then carbon number 3 bromine is there, and carbon number 1 double bond is there, carbon number 1. Then now we will write 3 bromo and carbon number 3 bromo, 2 methyl butane 1 in. Okay, 3 bromo and carbon number 2 methyl group was attached. Then you can write 3 bromo 2 methyl. Then total carbon now branch, just like a main branch will be of 4 carbon butane, because one is methyl group. Already you have taken the name 3 bromo 2 methyl. 3 bromo 2 methyl butane, butane 1 in, because carbon number 1 double bond is there. Then 3 bromo 2 methyl but you can write but 1 in. Okay, now again same type of a structure is there. Only change they have done. All things are almost same. Now with first carbon CH3 in ethylene, first carbon CH3 is there, and second carbon also CH3 is there. And again with second carbon one more carbon is attached, that is means group, you can tell, not common group, means CH3 CHBr is attached. Same way what I have discussed, same way, that is attached with second carbon, because in second carbon no H is there. One H is replaced by CH3, and with other H I told you that is the CH3Br. CH3Br, same, all in all three same. Then now its nomenclature will be what? Here again with the first carbon CH3 is attached. Then now double bond carbon, that will be second. that will be second, and third carbon bromine is there. Third carbon bromine is there. Okay, and only from that third carbon methyl group is attached. Hence, now nomenclature will be 3-bromo, because third carbon bromine is there. Then 3-bromo, and carbon number 2 methyl group is there. Okay, carbon number 2 methyl group is there. Then 3-bromo, and 3-bromo 2-methyl, because carbon number 2 methyl group is there. Then 3-bromo 2-methyl, and total is 4 carbon, butane, and first carbon is having double bond ethylene. Then but1 in, okay, but1 in. Then here nomenclature is very easy. I have told you for the third carbon this thing again I am telling you. Third carbon I told you first carbon CH3 is attached, second carbon also CH3 is attached, correct? And after that same things with ethylene, second carbon one is methyl group is attached, and with the other H is replaced by CH3Br. Then now its nomenclature will be, because 1 2 3 4, okay, fourth bromo, okay, 4-bromo, and total 5 is there, total 5, okay. Then 4-bromo pent, total 5 is there, then pent, 4-bromo pent, and carbon number 2 carbon, actually you have this because 2-methyl group is attached, 2-methyl group is attached, okay, that's why it will be En, methyl group is attached with the double bond, okay, both carbon CH3 is there. Then 4-bromo because carbon number 1 2 3 4, carbon number 4 bromine is there, carbon number 4 bromine is there, including CH3 with first carbon CH3 is attached, that is the one, and after that on second carbon this is there, double bond, okay. Then first, second, third, fourth will be bromine. Then 4-bromo, and 4-bromo carbon number 3 methyl is there, then 4-bromo 3-methyl, total 5 is there, pent 5 is there, pent, and carbon number 2 double bond is there, then 2 in means 4-bromo 3-methyl 2 in, okay. Like that way, fourth I am telling you fourth question. Again same way, with ethylene CH3 is attached, okay, both carbon 1 CH3 is attached, methyl, and with same way with the second carbon, means ethylene, second carbon, again you can say CH2Br is attached, same type of things, CH2Br is attached with second carbon, H gone, and CH2Br is attached, same type of a structure is there. It is not written straight way, little down, but structure is almost same way. Then ethylene, with ethylene ethylene 2 carbon is there, then with first carbon H is gone, 1 CH3 is attached, with second carbon again 1 H gone, CH3 came, and second carbon 1 hydrogen was there, that hydrogen again gone, and CH2Br came. Then now its structure name will be here 1 bromo, 1 bromo, 2 methyl, 1 bromo, 2 methyl, 2 in. But here butane you have to also now 1 bromo, 2 methyl, 1 bromo, 2 methyl, butane, total butane, 4s are there. Then carbon number 2, not carbon number 1, bromine, you have to start numbering from this side, bromine side, okay. Then carbon number 1, bromine is there, then 1 bromo, and carbon number 2, methyl is there, then you write 2 methyl, and only that carbon double bond is there between 2 and 3, means bonding start from the carbon number 2. That's why you will write 1 bromo, 2 methyl, butane, 2 in, butane, 2 in, okay. Then here this actually numbering you can give from both sides, because this ethylene is ethylene, 1 H is replaced, 1 H first carbon, ethylene is replaced by 1 methyl group, CH3, and second carbon actually is coming in the I can say just like between, okay, between. You can write both numbering, but it is easy to write with from the bromine side, okay, because if you will start from this side also, it will be second only, and from this side also double bond will be on second only. From both sides it will come second, okay. That's why you can write from the bromine, and it is good. 1 bromo, 2 methyl, butane, 2 in, okay, because carbon number 2 double bond is there. Now this fifth I am telling you, fifth question I am telling you, that is same type of a structure is there, ethylene is there, and from that ethylene 1 hydrogen gone, 1 methyl has come, but second carbon of ethylene 1 H is there, but other H is replaced by CH2Br, same way, CH2Br. Then now again you can start this numbering, you can start only from that way, first from the bromine side. Bromine is the first carbon. After that second carbon will you come there only with ethylene, that carbon, that is the second, between the second and third, and fourth is again methyl, you can tell, attached, and total 4 is there, and say you can name same way 1 bromo, and total carbon is 4, then it is a BUT, but, and carbon number 2 double bond is there, then 2 in, 1 bromo, but, 2 in, okay, easy, because where is the double bond, which carbon, that carbon you write E and E in, simple way. And when you are writing 2 in, then before 2, after in dash you have to write. And now one more I am telling you, example question is there, I am telling you, that is now again ethylene, this time first carbon CH2 is there, no problem, CH2, second carbon methyl group, second carbon hydrogen, 1 hydrogen gone, CH3 came, okay, second carbon 1 methyl group, and again second hydrogen of second hydrogen of second carbon gone, and its place CH2Br attached. Similar type of structure is there. Then here again numbering will start from where? Now here numbering you have to is important, because first ethylene, first carbon, now both are H, okay. Then this is actually numbering will start from the double bond, methyl group is not there, then that will be 1, and carbon number 2 methyl group is attached, and again carbon with carbon number 2 CH2Br is there. Then now 1 minute, CH2 ethylene, first carbon 2 hydrogen is there, and second carbon 1 methyl is there, and from this second carbon H is gone, replaced by CH2Br, then 1 2 3, then ion numbering will be from the this side only, CH2 side, the first carbon, that is the 1, and second carbon methyl is attached, and third carbon bromine is there, then 3 bromo, because third carbon bromine is there, 3 bromo, and carbon number 2 methyl is there, then 3 bromo 2 methyl, and total 1 2 3 carbon is there, then propane, okay, propane 3 bromo 2 methyl, propene, not propane, propene, E-N-E, propene, or propane 1 in also you can write, propane, prop 1 in also you can write, or 3 bromo 2 methyl, because carbon number 2 methyl is there, then 3 bromo 2 methyl, total 3 carbon is there, then prop, and this double bond is there on you can say distance, first carbon only, then 3 bromo 2 methyl, propene, in means double bond, propene, okay. If you are not writing prop 1 in, then propene you can write. Then I have discussed distance, some problems I have discussed, okay, and now I will just a brief idea about nature of CX bond. Nature of CX bond means X means halogen, X is attached with carbon, X may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, okay, FCl-Br-I. Then what is the nature of this bond, C and X bond? That I will give idea, okay. Since halogen atoms are more electronegative than carbon, you remember, since halogen atoms are more electronegative than carbon, the carbon halogen bond of alkyl halide is polarized. Obviously, because halogen is more negative, then it will create the charge. And when it will create the charge, it will be called polarized. Okay, since halogen atoms are more electronegative than carbon, the carbon halogen bond of alkyl halide is polarized. The carbon atom bears a partial positive charge, whereas the halogen atom bears a partial negative charge, because bond is covalent. Then partial positive negative charge will be developed. Since the size of halogen atoms increases as we go down the group in the periodic table, fluorine atom is the smallest and iodine atom biggest. Okay, fluorine atom is the smallest and the iodine atom is the largest. Consequently, the carbon hydrogen bond length also increases from CF bond, carbon and fluorine bond. CF, it will be a smallest, and C and I bond will be longest. Okay, that CF bond will be a smallest and CI bond will be longest. Then this I have told you about the nature of CX bond. Okay, some examples are there. Already you have seen the bond, means CF bond, CBR bond, CCL bond, already told. But here just bond length I will tell you that CH3, methyl and F is attached with the carbon, means F is attached with the methyl group. Then bond length is 139 picometer. And when chloride is attached, it will be 178 long. If bromine is attached, then now it became 193 more. If iodine is attached, then it is 214. Okay, then this is the bond length I told you. And you also know, if a bond length is small, it means it is strong, hence it will require more energy to break. As for example, that now if you will break bond enthalpy, I am talking about bond energy is also called bond enthalpy in kilojoule per mole. Then for fluorine bond, C and F bond, if you want to break, then 452 kilojoule energy is required. And in case of chlorine, it is less, 351. And in case of bromine, further less, 293. And in case of iodine, further less, 234. Today I am stopping only here. Next class I will start methods of preparation. Thank you.